Hi, I'm Rob from Statewide Gas and Plumbing. We're a small company located in northeast Melbourne, in Greensborough. We come out from a leaking tap to a burst hot water service to a broken stormwater pipe or a burst water pipe. We provide quality service and repairs. We cover most gas appliance brands from Bosch, Braemar, Brivus, Rheem, Renai. We also cover cooking appliances such as Sargi, Damani, Lofra, Noble, Glemgas, and many more. We also are the service agents for Dean Martin Enterprises, which were the old Vulcan heaters which were converted from oil to gas. We also can provide water tank installations, pump and pump repairs, bathroom makeovers, kitchen makeovers. We also offer water filtration under bench units. We provide quality service and workmanship 7 days a week. We're fully licensed and insured for your peace of mind.